to bring the fire. Fried chicken pepper. This is what I'm reviewing. Let's let's do this one. Look how gnarly it is. Looks like fried chicken, right? Who likes chicken? I do. I do. With ranch or blue cheese. Leave a comment section. All right, fried chicken. Making these videos quick. I'm doing some pre-records so I can put in various social medias. Decent amount of placenta on here, saving seeds. So here we go. And it's buy one, get one free to the end of September 14th, 2025. Whole pepper. So, this is a scorcher. We'll see. Sweet, floral. This is scorcher. Now, how far is the pain gonna go? Instant suntan. Sweet taste. Floral. Random sled there, because I'm sled riding on capsaicin. This is up there. I don't think it's hotter than the JP Piranha, but it might be a contender. It's probably hotter than the Warthog. I don't know. Warthog's up there, but I haven't had a panic attack, panic mode like this in quite some time. And I'm eating tons of peppers. Starting to sweat. Quick video. Wow. Fried chicken pepper. Ooh. Sounds like I'm going through puberty. I hacked. I want pepper. Pepper is huge. I got tears running. That much.